All right, hello Harley Nation. It's Tuesday, which means we've got another bike that's got to go. Today, we have a 2007 Heritage Softail. It's a really nice bike. It just freshly went through and worked on. It does have 65 miles, 65,700 miles. But it's a clean riding bike. There's nothing wrong with it. Yeah, it's got some work done on her. Classic white walls. It's burgundy and cream. Kind of a classic Harley theme going on here. And for the low price of $8,999, this bike could be yours. So it's got to go.